Now, students, let us discuss on difference between a CV and a resume. Already we have learned about the CV, that means curriculum vitae. CV is the short form of curriculum vitae. What are the major points contained in a CV? Or what is the difference between biodata and curriculum vitae? You have already known about biodata. Biodata contains the brief details of a person, like name, father name, mother name, date of birth, personal qualifications, address, educational qualifications, languages known, marital status, etc. Those are contents in a now in the difference between CV and resume. Look at the board. Curriculum vitae, already we have learned about curriculum vitae. The meaning of curriculum vitae is course of one's life. What is the meaning of CV? The course of one's life. It is origin from Latin. Resume, to summarize and to analysis. It is origin from French. Origin from French. It is very long in data. That is called length. Length is long. It is short. It is very short. Brief detail. Describe accomplishments with a great detail. Focus on how these relate to career plans. Describe accomplishments with a great detail. Great detail. Analysis with detailed instructions. Detailed summary. Focus on how these relate to career plans. Describe accomplishments briefly, leaving out extra details. Leaving out extra details. Only short form of the detailed figure. Next, comprehensive list of accomplishments, applications for academic positions or jobs associated with colleges or universities, advanced research fellowship, etc. Brief list of accomplishments, applications for jobs in industry. These particulars are contained in a resume. These particulars are related to CV. Now students, you know the difference between CV and resume? Look at it once. Curriculum vitae and resume. Comparison between a CV is longer than resume. CV is longer than resume. Hence, it is very long and short in detailed description resume. You should prepare resume or curriculum vitae in different ways for different jobs. You should not prepare a single resume or curriculum vitae for any job. It is most important point. Hence, the difference between curriculum vitae and resume, in this way, the difference. Now, okay, course of one's life, it is the meaning of curriculum vitae. It is origin from Latin. To summarize is the meaning of French. It is the meaning or definition or origin. definition, meaning, origin. Next, long or short, it is the length. Describe accomplishments, that is the features. What is accomplishments have? These are the brief discussion between difference between a CV and a resume.